Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am finally taking down the Christmas tree and all of the Christmas decorations. So I'm going to put up 2 videos on the channel taking down all of the Christmas decorations because there were so many. So guys, today we are undecorating the living room and the kitchen, and then in part 2 we are going to be undecorating the bedrooms and everywhere else in the house. So if you want to see all of that and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Let's get to cleaning and undecorating. All right guys, welcome back. So first I am going to take down the Christmas tree. Now I have this bin here where I'm going to put all of my Christmas decorations and I'm going to stick them in the garage until next year. But first I'm going to put as much as I can in these Walmart bags, because how many of us have empty Walmart bags just lying around the house? Okay, so I'm gonna put all of my Christmas decorations in there just to keep everything safe, so I can use them next Christmas. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, that you like this video, hit the notification bell, and also when you hit the notification bell, make sure that you are notified to receive all notifications from my channel so you can know when I upload all of my videos. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. So guys, as you can see here, I am taking each individual string of Christmas lights and I'm just wrapping them up and putting each individual string into their own Walmart bag. And I'm also doubling up the bags just to make sure the lights don't get broken. I do that because can you imagine every single Christmas unwinding a whole bunch of Christmas lights? It's a disaster. So I always make sure that I wind them up individually, and then it'll be easier for me next Christmas when it's time to decorate. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. So guys, here I am just changing up the pillowcases that go on the couch. As you can see, even though it's not Christmas, I'm still going to be using the color red because I just love the color. But I will definitely be changing up the carpet and the pillowcases in the spring. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. We crossed them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body
it's not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that.
So now that we're done with the living room, I'm just going to wash a couple dishes that I had in the sink, and then we are going to get to undecorating the kitchen.
They don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. It's not a matter under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
So guys, at the end of the day, I decided to keep up these little red cones that I got from the Dollar Tree. Even though they were technically Christmas decorations, I love them so much. And I was like, you know what? It's my house. I get to make the rules and I'm keeping them up.
For your baby love, hot, 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 hot. For your baby love, hot for your baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for your baby love, hot for your baby love, hot for your baby love. Hot, 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 hot for your baby love, hot for your baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah. There's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. But this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. But this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
All right, guys, so we are coming towards the end of the video. I hope that you guys got a lot of cleaning motivation and that you were able to take down your Christmas decorations. Don't forget that we are going to have a part 2 to this video. So I will definitely put up part 2 on Friday where you will be seeing me taking down the Christmas decorations in the bedrooms and the rest of the house. So be sure that you subscribe if you want to see that. Again, I hope you guys got a lot of cleaning motivation. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video with all of your friends and family, and comment down below. Let me know if you have taken down your Christmas decorations, or if you haven't, when you plan on doing it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else.